Hi there, Miss Nicole here. Today we're going to be reading The Bear's Garden, written by Marcie Colleen, illustrated by Alison Oliver. Read with permission from Macmillan Books. In the big, bustling city, all the people were busy. They rushed up and down the street without seeing that some buildings needed paint, that some buildings were empty, that some buildings were gone. But in one girl's imagination, the city was a place to grow, a place to play, a place to love. She could always find beauty around her. One night, the girl's imagination spilled onto the sidewalk, rolled across the street, and sprouted. A baby garden. When she spotted the seedling, she introduced herself with a "How do you do?" and a garden party. And that's how it went, day after day. No matter how fierce the sun or how swift the wind, the little girl watched over the seedling. "I believe in you," she whispered every morning and every night. More seedlings soon grew. People rushing by began to slow down. First with the tip of the hat or a nod of the head, people stopped to smile or say hello to the little girl with the tiny green friends. There came a time when the girl had to leave for a while. Without her care and without her love, she knew the plants would wither. She wanted to bring the garden with her, but it wasn't possible. She thought maybe she could whisper, "I believe in you," from far away, but she didn't have enough string. She tried employing a pigeon, but it was clearly not trained. If the little girl could not take care of the garden, someone else would have to. She filled her bear with cuddles and snuggles and stuffed him full of hope. She locked button eyes with him and whispered into his ear, "This is a very special mission. Watch the garden until I get back." She kissed him on the top of his head and left him to do his job. From miles away, the girl imagined the garden was blooming. She imagined it could be a place to grow. A place to play. A place to love. And it was. That was The Bear's Garden, written by Marcie Colleen, illustrated by Alison Oliver.